Here's 521 Cedar Apartment A. This is the top floor of a 3-unit building. See a little porch area, off-street parking in the back. It's right on Cedar Avenue. Is in the front. You can park on Cedar Avenue and take the front steps and come up the side of the building, up and around. We can park right in the back here. People who live here only. The steps into the kitchen. The nice ceramic floors, new cabinets, glass top electric range, new refrigerator. It's a very nice unit. Ceramic tile, glass tile backsplash. Little dining area and 2 bedrooms in the back and a living room. It's a nice 2-bedroom apartment. There's fresh paint, new floors, new hardware, new doors, replacement windows, everything. They have closet space as well in each unit, in each bedroom. And you also have an area for a laundry center. You can get a stackable washer and dryer in here, electric dryer. There is gas. There's a gas furnace for the heat and hot water. And electric is just for the lights and dryer and stove. Nice bath as well. If you're interested in this unit, go to parasoleproperties.com, P-A-R-A-S-O-L-E properties.com. Submit an application on the homepage, and we'll be in touch by next business day with further instructions on how to view this property and lease it. So the heat's not even on and it's warm. You get a lot of residual heat from downstairs.